Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Zaria. If you don't know me, hello. If you do, hello. Today I'm going to be doing a spring twist tutorial. I've been really wanting these, and later on in the video I'll show you what the final look looks like. And I've already completed the back of my hair, so I'm just going to show you how I install it. So you're going to need hair. This is the spring twist hair in the color, this is the spring twist hair in the color T1 Burgundy. It's like an ombre, so it's brighter at the bottom. So you're gonna need this. One strand of this is like 2 twists. So it takes 2 bundles to complete the whole head, and I'll leave the link down below as to where I got this hair. I'm also using Shine and Jam, which is like a very thick springy gel that's going to keep my hair in place. And the first thing you want to do is stretch out the hair. This hair is super springy, and this hairstyle has a lot of names: bomb twist, spring twist, fluffy twist. Next, I separate that into 2 sections. Next, I'm going to part off my hair. I'm not doing perfect squares. I'm kind of doing like curved parts. To me, they fall the most naturally that way. And since I'm not doing squares, it's easier for me to not be in the mirror to do this hairstyle. So I'm going to take my gel. I'm just going to put it around the perimeter and smooth it in. This is super duper important. So the way I grip it is like, since I want them longer, I'm actually gonna do this to that. So it's not balanced. I'm not putting it in like this. I'm gonna put it in like this to get a longer twist. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my fingers and split up the hair, and I'm just going to incorporate this as if it was a French braid. That's going to give me a more secure knot at the top. Once I'm satisfied with how that looks, I'm just going to continue to twist the hair. So since this hair is thin, I just put it on one side, but with a normal piece of hair, I would braid until my hair is in the middle, and then I would split it. And as you can see, I'm just normally twisting the hair. I'm not doing anything special, and it's very secure. Once I start to get to the end, because it is shorter, the only thing that I'm going to do is take the bigger section and split it in 2, leaving me with 2 equal parts. This hair is very easy. This hairstyle is easy. It's very quick, in my opinion. The hair does not shed. As you can see, that Shine and Jam does a good job of keeping my hair in place. And I'm just going to continue to twist that down. As you can see, it springs right up. And that is my first one. And I will come back when I am all done. It's literally 1 a.m. and I just finished. This is what it looks like. They are light. They're a little frizzy, so I was just gonna take some scissors and just cut off like the extremely frizzy ends like that. But yes, I love it. So I was gonna show you my nighttime routine. I have this African Best Sheen Spray with conditioner. I'm gonna take this Smooth Edges and just bought this bonnet from the beauty supply. I low-key didn't know I got it in this ugly color. I look like Chef Boyardee. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. I will catch you in my next video.